Hi guys, and welcome to this walkthrough on how to stake your Bird tokens on the CyberFi Samurai Stakepad. I've just navigated to samurai.cyberfi.tech/stake-pad/stake-bird. After connecting my Ethereum wallet, I can now see this splash page. If you want to stake, it's very simple. The first thing you do is select the Bird token, and it will tell you exactly how many Bird tokens you have available to deposit. In this case, I'm going to deposit one Bird token. It's very simple to stake. You just click the stake button, you approve the transaction for the spend, and I'll speed this up just for the sake of the video, and within a few block confirmations, the website will be approved to spend your Bird tokens. The next prompt you'll get is for staking, and again, make it a fast transaction if you wish, and click confirm. Now we're waiting for a confirmation that our Bird tokens have now been staked by this website. And shortly we'll be able to see one Bird token staked on the Samurai Stakepad. There are 1,000 Tether tokens available every single day of the staking period, which will last 30 days. When this transaction is confirmed, we will be staking right away. That means we'll be earning tokens every single day for the entire stake period until we unstake. And look, it's confirmed. So now it says here, your Bird staked one Bird, and this Bird reward over here, this will increase every single day. I hope that's helped you guys to stake your Bird tokens on the Samurai Stakepad, and stay tuned for more staking options from Bird.Money in the future.